Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel save in iRacing. Fuel saving is a crucial skill for endurance racing, allowing you to extend your stints and gain a strategic advantage. We will cover fundamental techniques like lift and coast, which involves briefly lifting off the throttle before braking. Mastering smooth throttle application and understanding your car's fuel consumption rate are also key to maximizing your time on track between pit stops. The lift and coast technique is a cornerstone of fuel saving. It involves lifting off the throttle for a short period, typically 1 to 2 seconds, before you would normally brake for a corner. This allows the car to coast, saving fuel without a significant loss of speed. The goal is to find the perfect balance, maintaining competitive lap times while reducing your fuel burn by up to 5% per lap. Effective throttle control is vital for fuel efficiency. Instead of mashing the throttle, apply it smoothly and progressively as you exit corners. This minimizes wheel spin and reduces the engine's workload. Additionally, consider short shifting, which means shifting into a higher gear earlier than usual. This keeps the engine RPMs lower, saving fuel, and can reduce consumption by around 2 to 3% per lap. Strategic fuel management involves constant monitoring and adaptation. Pay close attention to your fuel consumption rate, often displayed as liters per lap or gallons per lap. Use this data to calculate precisely how much fuel you need to finish your stint or the race. Adjust your driving style in real time. If you are low, increase your lift and coast duration. This proactive approach can save you valuable seconds by avoiding an extra pit stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.